So I've seen so many people hauling these, and I think they're super cute, but I'm still on the hunt for the lemon ones. Oh my goodness, these brushes are the best. I use these for my dishes all the time, and actually my coworker Christina asked me to pick her up one. Need some measuring spoons, and these are super cute. And I need a spray bottle, and I love how it matches the teal color of the measuring spoons I got. So cute. I love that that they have this color out in Dollar Tree right now. These, oh my goodness, these are the big ones. If you guys see these in your Dollar Tree, make sure you snatch them up, and they have the cute teal color. Look at these. Oh my goodness, I definitely need to stock up on these, and I totally know what I'm gonna do with these too. Isn't that color so pretty? These are such a good deal for $1, and you get these cute inflatable like characters. I got my nephews some of these for their pool at their house, and they're more like the inner tube style, and I think I got them like a donut and a pizza. But they have all like the summer fun party supplies out, and I just think some of these things are so cute. You really got to dig to find the treasures. And look at those pineapples, and look at these little lip balms. Oh my goodness, so fun. All the 4th of July stuff is out, and my sister and brother-in-law have a party every single year, and I just love it. They have a beautiful backyard, and we go over there, and my brother-in-law makes ribs. By the way, these bows are super gorgeous, but the glitter gets everywhere. So I've seen some people hauling these, and they're supposed to be really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get 1 pack. You get 6, and they're nice and colorful. Okay, seriously, check out all of the candy. This isn't even like the main candy aisle, and they have so much name brand candy. So those lemon heads, a lot of people are hauling those because they're like all different flavors, super chewy and delicious. And then they've got all the Haribo like gummy bears, and of course the chocolate. And then look at this aisle. This would be like my nephew's favorite snack section. And these Now and Laters, I have a bag already, so I'm not going to pick any more up, but these are so good, and they're nice and soft and chewy, and they're so delicious. These chair pads, if you don't want to use them for chair pads, you should get a few of them just in case you want to go on a picnic or you're outside and you want to sit on the ground. That's perfect for that for just $1. I am so excited about this section. I absolutely love this section, and when they have these items out in the store, I stock up because these are the containers that I use for my craft fair. So they have these like new colors this year with of course that teal, and then this really pretty royal blue, and they have gray, which is really popular, but I'm totally drawn to this teal. These are going to be so pretty to display my craft fair items in. I love my table looking colorful at my craft fairs. It's like draws people in. So I'm going to get a couple of containers of these. These come 2 to a pack, so I'm going to get a couple of those. So seriously, enough is enough, guys. Let's head to the stationery aisle. This is my favorite aisle. Yes, people looking at me thinking I'm weird that I'm recording all of this, but that's okay. I really don't care. I'm in my happy place right now, which is the stationery aisle at Dollar Tree. So I couldn't be happier. I know it's the simple dreams, isn't it? The simple things in life that make us happy. I'm definitely going to give these a try because they look awesome. So, and then I heard good things about these as well. So I'm so glad my Dollar Tree had them in stock. I'm going to give those a try. Just, to see if I like them. People like different kinds of pens and things like that, but I don't think I've ever met a pen I didn't like. I just love stationery. And then these are really cool because they're gel. So definitely think I'm going to give those a try. And you can't go wrong with composition books. I really like those neon ones. But these pink ones, oh, and you can't go wrong with like just a plain composition book. Make a journal, a scrapbook out of it. You can make anything. And I really was on the hunt for this, the pink one. However, it was kind of like a little scraggly and torn up, so nah. But look, they have all these cute pens. You really gotta dig to find the treasures, like I said, but you can find them, and it's really fun, especially if you go to Dollar Tree with like no time limit and you just, you know, you have a couple hours to yourself and you can get out of the house. Just treat yourself to 10 items. It's $10, and it's just fun. So here's all the pencils, and I've been using less and less pencils at work and more pens. So, but look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And here are the Notepads, you guys. If you want to, go ahead and pick some of those up, because I'm going to be altering some more on my channel. So every time I come, I pick like a couple up. My planner section is looking sad. There's like hardly anything here. And I've seen all these list pads already. That's what kind of upsets me when they don't restock that. You know, because I've seen all these other people hauling really cute ones. But look at the journals. And of course, my other obsession, index cards. And then look below that. These bright pink ones are so rare. And so are these blush pink. Because you can get like all the yellow and the teal. But those two pink colors are rare. So looks like they got a bunch of the blush pink. So yeah, I'm going to pick some of these up because I'm planning on using those for my craft fair. And I like to pick a couple up every time I come to the Dollar Tree. They don't have really many new journals right now. I've seen most of these. And I look at these in like different ways. Oh, by the way, here's those lined sticky notes. These are the best ever. They're so chunky. There's so much paper in here. So grab yourself some of those because they're going to make great Christmas gifts, stocking stuffers. So I'm going to grab a few, and I do every time I come. And then here's another item that I'm going to be coming back to Dollar Tree for as soon as I get my plans, those little mini composition books. But here's some of the newer journals, and these are bigger. So I like those. And I look at them to where I can maybe take them apart, recover them. These are really cute. I have a cactus one that I've already picked up. Where is it? There it is. Isn't that adorable? And there's like a piece of plastic over each image on the covers, and they're really cute. If your Dollar Tree has these, snatch them up because these are perfect for craft fairs. These rulers are such an awesome deal. I use this ruler all the time. Sticker section, I love this section, and I have not seen, I don't think I have anyways, these labels. They're so colorful and pretty. And I think I'll go ahead and just take a little peek through these dimensional stickers. These are cute. I don't think I need any though. I'm going to resist this time. I don't really want the real glittery ones. These are cute. Don't really have a use for those. These ones maybe are pretty new. I don't think I've seen those before. They got some artsy ones, and then they have, of course, the cute little bug ones and those. These are such a great deal. The book rings, they have those, and then they also have, so those come with 8, and these come with 6, and these are the huge ones. And I made a cute little album for my nephew, and I used those. Oh my goodness, and look at all the paper clips. I'm obsessed. I just love office supplies. These are one of the items that I came to look for. I just think these are so cute. You can price things with them. And then look, here's the solid skinny sticky notes that we just did a tutorial on. If you missed that, I'll link it below. But look at the colors. Look how vibrant and beautiful these colors are. And look at all these sticky notes. This is like such a great deal. Don't ever pay more than $1 for sticky notes when you can get all these cute ones here at the Dollar Tree. I have been wanting to get one of these for my desk at work because it is not a pretty sight. So maybe I'll do like a little organization in my office at work to show you how I use that. These little paint palettes are one of my absolute favorite purchases at the Dollar Tree. You get 6 of those little paint palettes for $1. These are the beads I use to make my enamel dots. Those beads right there. So I'm not sure if this is the same in every Dollar Tree, but in mine, I find the cute little paper bags that I use to make my paper bag albums in the kids party section, where you can get like party favors and cute little streamers and goodie bags and napkins and plates and candles and things like that. That's where you can find the cute decorative paper bags. No, we didn't go through the entire whole store, but I just want to thank you for watching my Dollar Tree shop with me, and stay tuned for a haul in the next couple of days. I got some really awesome things. Thanks for watching, and there's my snack. Bye!